like everybody calls me Ago. So today I'm here with Phloshop and Ben Bond. We're putting some fire together. You don't want to miss. But don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, and share because we have a lot for you guys.
Hello everyone, Joseph here. This is me just quickly coming in to say that this is a behind the scenes of our photo shoots. Ben Bond and I, he uses Fuji X-T3. I use my Canon EOS R. We're just having fun taking pictures of the same model. And I've also added a little bit of a challenge. I want to know if you guys will be able to tell the difference between the Fuji files and the Canon files. So I've labeled the images A and B. There are no camera settings. If you want to see the camera settings, you can go off to Ben Bond's YouTube channel. I'm going to put a link down below. You can check him out. And you see the camera settings that we use, but for mine it's plain. It's just labeled A and B, and I want you guys to leave a comment down below to let me know which one you think is the Fuji, which one you think is the Canon. But at the end of the video you can check to be sure if you were right, and do not edit your comments when you check and you're wrong. I mean, we're just having fun. So yeah, enjoy the rest of the video and I'll see you guys in the next one.